Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, just another quick update. I'm gonna keep updating you guys. We're on the road to 100,000, and then hopefully later on to 1 million. So if you want to stick by and watch the portfolio grow, or maybe you want to join the challenge with us. We're trying to get to 100K. I know if there's a few people that are actually trying to get to 100K with me. Some people have $10,000. Some people have $5,000. Some people might even be starting fresh. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna be showing you guys my moves, and let me know down in the comments if you're gonna be joining the challenge because I'm gonna be showing you my moves, and maybe you guys can show your guys' moves down in the comments, and we can work together so we can get there as quickly as possible, and we can hopefully sustain it and keep growing faster together, because that's the goal, guys. That's the goal. We're trying to get to 100K, and we're trying to be millionaires together as fast as possible, and we have to keep that money. All right, we have to keep that money. Just because we make it to that $1 million, we have to make sure that it's sustainable. We have to make sure that we can eventually turn that 1 million into more money, because that's the name of the game. We can't stop. We have to stay hungry. So the plan for me is I'm going to start working more, guys. I am going to start working more. I'm able to get some more hours, which means I'm probably going to be able to start depositing money as soon as I'm done with my taxes. So once I finish doing my taxes and see if I have to, how much I have to pay, because your boy has to pay money in taxes, and the taxes suck. But you know what? We have to do it. You cannot fight the IRS. You just have to pay taxes, be quiet, and work harder and make money work for you. So once I'm done with that, almost all the income that I make after I pay the bills and everything, I'm gonna go straight to this account, right? So right now we're at 30,982. We were above 31,000 most of the day until it started sliding again. And I have basically no cash. Most of the money that I have right now is actually margin, and I want to pay that margin off. So like I said, once I'm done with the taxes, I'm gonna start putting a lot of money into the stock market. My goal is to maybe put 100, 200, maybe $300 per week, if possible, depending how much I can work. And the more money you guys can put into the stock market, like me, the faster it is to get to that one goal of 100K and then 1 million. The more money we can put in together, the faster we're gonna grow, right? And right now, I'm telling you, this is one of the best portfolios I've ever put together. I'm telling you, Neo, Afria, Jumia, MP Materials, all the stocks that I have here are poised to be giants, to grow, to multiply our money together. Multiply our money, and then once I see that there's a better potential out there, I want to sell and I want to buy a new one. I'm going to buy the new stocks that I see that are better. But right now, I feel like Neo stock, it's at $60, has the potential to hit $100. All right. As you see, Neo is probably the biggest position I have right now. I have 200 shares. And if you're a long term investor like me, and we're trying to make it to the riches, don't even really pay attention about the share price, all right? Because most likely, if you guys are in Neo, if you guys are in Afria, Shopify, on any of the stocks that I'm holding, then it's for the long run. The goal for you is just to increase this number right here, the share count. We're trying to get the share count as high as possible. You know why? Let's just say my thesis for Neo comes true, right? It turns $100 this year, and then it goes to $250 next year, right? And say I turn that 200 shares and I'm able to get 300, maybe 400 shares. Imagine, once I want to sell out the stock, I'm not just going to sell the stock, right? I'm going to start selling calls on these babies, and I'm going to sell monthlies. Look at the premiums for this baby for a month out. You get $50 per the 100 shares per month. If I had four, this is like just $200. $200. I can make passively per month eventually. And this is just the price right now. It's $60. Imagine how much the premiums are going to be when it's 100 or 150 or 200. Money's going to start rolling in faster and faster. That's what I'm saying. You got to start putting up your freaking share counts up. Don't care about the price if you're a long-term investor, honestly. Don't even check the prices. Who cares if the price, what the prices are right now? The prices are irrelevant right now. What you care about is the prices in a year, 2 year, 3 years from now. Now look at Africa, $12. What do I care about the price right now? If it goes back to $9, I'm still gonna be up. If it goes back to $7, might be a good buying opportunity. We all know. I believe Africa is gonna hit $20, $25 eventually. I got a nice 400 shares. Maybe we want to get that to 1,000 shares, depending on how much money we can put in. But it all depends on how much money we can put in and if there's any crashes. When there's crashes, that's the best time to increase the share count. Imagine getting Shopify at a 40% discount, getting Shopify back at maybe even $500. Oof, you can get 2 shares for the price of one if that ever happens. But yeah, this is my total holdings, how much money I have in my account, my equity. 12,000 in Neo, 5,000 in Afria, 4,000 in Shopify, Jumia 4,000, Corsair Gaming 3,000, MP Materials almost 3,000, Tesla almost 3,000, Dropbox 2,200, Beyond Meat. Oh my god, Beyond Meat is going crazy, guys. I have such a small position in it, but this is what happens when wasn't able to put any money in. If I was able to put money in last year, you best believe I would have had way more than 5 shares. But that's it. That's it. From now on, I'm going in 100%. Hopefully, you guys are with me because you know what? This year, I'm really gonna try to get to 100,000. If not 50K, 50K, my small goal. 100K is me shooting from the stars. If I can make it to 100K this year, no doubt in my mind, we can make it to a quarter mil next year. But we have to really put in the money. We have to really be disciplined and hold on for the opposite and the downs. Better be ready. We better be ready. Beyond Meat's almost 1,000. Look at that. And my initial investment, I paid only $130. Going up basically $50 per share. And this baby can keep riding. IPR broke past 200. Look how much money I got in this. Only $100, man. I really messed up on IPR. Really, really, really messed up. This is one of those stocks that it's a win-win. This stock right here is a win-win. I wish I could put more money into this one as fast as possible. This one, I got this one free share. And if you guys want to start investing, if you guys are new, you guys want to be in the challenge with me to the 100K and then to quarter million and into 1 million, check out the link in the description if you really want to start and make a Robinhood account, deposit money. If you're new, start slow so you can get used to it. Get used to it, all right? And me, I'm a long-term investor. Trading, not my style. If you guys are good at trading, do what you're good at, all right? Do what you're good at. Don't do anything because everyone else is doing it. Do what you personally feel comfortable. Me, since I'm working a lot, I'm not really paying attention to the phone. I'm a long-term investor. It's just better for me. I don't have to worry about buying a position and then leaving it and not being able to check it during the day because I'm working and I'm not on my phone, right? So that's just a quick update for you guys. These are my position. As I'm telling you, I think these stocks are going to be winners in the long run. Neo, Afria, Shopify, Jumia, Corsair Gaming, MP Materials, Tesla, Dropbox, Beyond Meat, IPR, and this is my free stock. I also have some cryptos. Might be a good time to get into Bitcoin. It's going to hit 30K soon. I think if anywhere close to 30K is a good buy because you see it's getting close to that bottom mark. If it breaks down to the bottom, it's gonna get closer to 30K. Maybe it might go down more. But I'm telling you, if it goes down from 30K and goes back up to 40, how much is a percentage of that? If it goes back up to the top from now, that's gonna be a 25+% gain. So really pay attention to Bitcoin. Ethereum, I'm doing pretty good on this. I think I'm up on this one, up 1.91%. Yeah, I don't think this one's a buy yet. It would need to go down a little bit more. But yeah, I'm trying to diversify a little bit. I want to get like 10% of my portfolio into crypto. So yeah, best believe I'm gonna start putting more money in. Remember, we are on the road to 100K. Let's help each other out. Let's get there as fast as possible, but also let's make it consistent gains. All right, we just want to be up to 100K and then blow our accounts up. No, no, no. We want to make sure that we keep our money, preserve our wealth. But anyways, that's the update for you guys today. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another one.